The Empowered Pregnancy and Birth course is here, made in collaboration with my sister, Ellen Fisher, who has had 5 beautiful home births. This course is all about supporting your pregnancy throughout the trimesters as you prepare for the birth of your dreams. And we also worked with 4 contributors who are experts in their fields. You have the power to influence your birth experience. If you are ready to prepare for an easier, quicker, and possibly even pleasurable labor and birth experience, click my link below to learn more. Good morning. I am here on the island of Maui. As I do. I come here like twice a year and it's absolutely a huge blessing. As you guys know, I am pregnant and very excited about it. I am now 15 weeks and it's just the best being out of the first trimester. As many of you I'm sure agree, the first trimester is not that fun, to be honest. I was going to do yoga outside, but it was raining, so I was gonna do it inside, but now it's not raining and I might move outside. Ellen is watching my kid right now. We're gonna switch off working out this morning because I have not exercised in months. Essentially. I mean, small things here and there, but like consistent exercise, no, absolutely not. I was not in the mood and yeah, it was not in the cards for me and that's okay. And now I'm just excited to finally sort of get back into it. My goal is to what is going on, you guys? I don't know why my hair looks so, I know why my hair looks greasy because I got a massage yesterday and inevitably oils ended up in my hair. That is what's going on. I'm like, this is not normal for Miss Hannah. I got a massage yesterday simply because Ellie got a massage and I said, I want one. And the massage therapist that I went to is truly amazing, so I want to take advantage. And I really feel like I needed to take care of myself for a little bit. We just put out the Empowered Pregnancy and Birth course and it was all consuming, especially finishing that in the first trimester. That was a lot and it feels really good to take a little break and relax. I don't know, I'm sure, I think you guys know, but it's like a lot. It's all consuming. This job is so much work, and then on top of creating a product like a course, it's just like, it's nonstop. And I was working nights and weekends and Eric was so over it. He's like, Hannah, when will you be done? And I'm like, 1 second, I'm almost done. I feel like I'm still kind of tired. I'm still sort of first trimester-y tired. Like it's sort of like, I could use more sleep. I am so excited to get strong again. I'm excited to move my body again. I was just, I don't know, you just get used to not working out when you go through, you know, a phase where you're not working out and then it's like hard to get back into it, but I miss feeling strong and I miss feeling just like open. If for anyone who has a dedicated yoga practice, you know that consistent yoga is truly magical. It's like, I had tried yoga before and it was like dabbling. It was like, I'll try a class here and there. I didn't experience the magic until I was consistent with yoga. Pre-baby, that was every single day. Post-baby, it is as often as I possibly can. So I'm gonna move my mat outside and vinyasa. Prenatal yoga. Things shift when you start having a belly. I'm already like, feel like I'm showing so much sooner than my last pregnancy. At this stage, I was still doing like, I could still lay on my belly and stuff, but now, I don't know, I'm already showing, so I didn't have this last time. One of our 4 amazing contributors in our Empowered Pregnancy and Birth course is Michelle Mensch, who is my yogi, like my yoga instructor, and she is the best. I love learning from her. I can't really imagine learning from anyone else. I think she's amazing, and the yoga that I have experienced with her has been absolutely transformative. And anyway, she contributed 4 yoga classes to our course, 3 prenatals and 1 postpartum yoga class. And so I'm gonna do the second trimester one. It's a lot of strengthening and working on the legs, which I really need because I have been experiencing like piriformis pain, which that's another story altogether. I could talk about it another time. I've learned a lot about how to manage this. If anyone else is experiencing piriformis, it's like sciatica, but it's not the same. So I really need to strengthen my legs because I have not been. So let's do that today. Let me get my video up. I need to move inside.
Gently draw the navel in towards the spine and reach the tailbone back as the crown of the head extends forward.
Poppy seeds are so pretty. Mix it. Okay, we are making the lemon poppy seed cake from Ellen's Cravings ebook. Stirring up the batter. Are you excited, Scout?
Yeah.
Scout's wearing her Rapunzel costume from Halloween.
I think I'll actually have enough to do a small pan too. I'm gonna do a small pan too, then it'll be enough.
Okay. I think,
Weren't we also gonna make a salad?
Oh yeah. I don't think we have enough greens. Will you check, Heather?
Sure.
You can make a salad with it.
We're having a girls' night with Joseph and Danielle, Ellen's best friends, and so they're sort of my surrogate, they're my Maui friends. And we made Ellen's cake.
You're gonna start with Little Mermaid, Scouty?
Oh my gosh. The table looks beautiful, Elle.
Huh?
The table looks so pretty.
it does look so pretty. These guys are so great.
And the lasagna.
It smells so good. We were talking about on the way up. We're so excited for lasagna.
Oh, it looks so
Wow,
good.
you guys. Lasagna, cake for after, and a Caesar salad.
And a hand.
And a hand. Yeah.
Is that your car?
That's a cute car.
This moment we've been waiting for 50 years.
Oh, yum. We need giant.
Giant.
Giant slices, right, Scout?
Do you want a big piece?
Yeah.
A small piece for Scout.
I know, I did one small right there. That's for Danielle.
That's for
kidding.
I can only have a small piece.
I'm cutting it kind of crazy.
I'll feed you.
You guys are the best.
Just kidding.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Wait, are we feeding you?
I got ish to do, flying through the sky in my parachute, dancing on the couch like I'm Tommy Cruise, on a one-man mission trying to see it through, yeah. I got the password, yeah, I finally got the password. Added up the numbers, now the math works. I got the way to make the path work. All these lights turning from red.
Hello, and I just got back from the farmer's market. Normally Andrew makes this trip every single week, and he wakes up early and he does it for the whole family, and he's not in town right now, so I volunteered, and I'm very proud of myself that I accomplished it because it was kind of crazy and busy over there and really hard to find a parking spot, and just like trying to follow Andrew's directions as to like which booths he goes to get local goodies. As you know, my biggest complaint about living in Idaho is that the farmers markets just are so sad and so deprived of, you know, abundant local fruits and vegetables. So I found it quite a pleasure to go to the farmers market and buy lots of delicious fruits and vegetables. And yeah, I'm gonna show you what I got today. It was really fun to go to the market. I haven't been to the market here in Hawaii in years because Andrew always just like does it, and it's kind of a chore. It's fun, but it's also a lot of work, and he goes early so he can get the good stuff. And the thing too about going to a market, any market really, but especially here in Hawaii, like if you don't know what to get, if you're like not familiar with the varieties of fruit, or you're not familiar like which booth to go to, you might end up buying something that's not the best, and that's why yeah, Andrew gave me some detailed instructions. Andrew is out of town with the boys, but they're returning next week, so I did make sure to get enough for when they return. We first got lots of greens. I got some collard greens, which are just super beautiful. These are great for mostly smoothies. It's a great additional green that you can add to smoothies for lots of nutrition, as well as dark kale. You want papaya? Oh, don't grab the flowers. These are special flowers. Oh, something I did get, I sort of splurged on. I got this beautiful bouquet of tropical flowers for Ellen. I just know that she loves flowers, and she's not the one to really splurge. I mean, it's $10, but like, look how beautiful it is. I love having flowers on the table, so we need to find a vase big enough. And then I have some mangoes. These are a keep variety. This variety is also grown in California and Mexico, and it's only available in the fall, so let's see how it is here. They're absolutely amazing. The season's probably done back on the mainland, but in Idaho, I was getting lots of keep mangoes at Whole Foods for like, I don't know, $3.20. For this, like bigger than this, like just giant. So yeah, that's the thing about mangoes here in Hawaii, is like you don't know which variety is the good variety.
Rain turns to rust, the fire burns to dust. We love until it hurts too much. We let our love run free. Build your fences high and hope we let it fly. We learn until the day we die. So let your love run free. So let your love run free. Let your love run free. I'll fall on you, you fall on me. Let your love run free. Come on, let's raise the sun and make this place a home.
I have received so many messages and comments from all of you who are pregnant at the same time. Congratulations on your pregnancy. Yeah, it's so fun. I think it's just so cool, like being pregnant at the same time, going through it together, and like most of you are like, hey, I was also pregnant when you were pregnant with Cosmo. How cool is that? So yeah, cheers to you guys. And I'm just wishing you the most wonderful, blissful pregnancy. I am already feeling like this pregnancy is entirely different than my last one, and I'm feeling so amazing. So I'm extremely grateful for that. And I do think when we're pregnant, like it's so important to just feel really in tune and to listen to that intuition, listen to that inner voice. Like we just become extra sensitive, not in a bad way, just extra in tune to everything when you're pregnant. So keep your ears open, keep your heart open, and really listen and tap in, and you may be able to go deeper in your life than you ever have before. So cheers to all of you who are pregnant with me. Let's do this. Wait, Steph, are you going to be doing, she's brushing her teeth, is that okay? Are you going to do a voiceover? No. Okay, Steph.